How to unsubscribe email in Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So let's start with opening our browser. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for mail.google.com and then simply log into your Gmail account. So once you're logged into your account, search for the mailing list email you want to unsubscribe from. Scroll through your inbox to find it. So in my case, let's say I would like to unsubscribe Temu. So once you find the email, hover your cursor over it. Now on the right hand side, you'll see an option labeled as unsubscribe. So go ahead and click onto it and then tap on unsubscribe again. So you'll see a confirmation message that you have been unsubscribed. You can repeat the process for the other email as well. So let's say I would like to unsubscribe Synthesia. Repeat the same process, tap on unsubscribe and then tap on unsubscribe again. And that's it guys, it's that simple. And that's simply how you can clean your inbox in Gmail. If you ever want to resubscribe, just visit the website of the sender. Well, that's simply how you can do it guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.